So, hi sister, welcome to Bhagalpuri Textile. So, today we have these two collections in soft silk sari. Also, you can see, you can say semi tussar. Okay, so we have these two collections in Dobi work. I'll show you both sarees separately. This is in red color. So these are very pocket friendly sari, and these are like 500 series, like 501. This is the code of the sari. You can check website 501, this red one. To search 502, you will get this sari. Search 501, you will get this sari for price and other details. So first we just open this sari and show you the full view of the sari here. See, this is the anchal area here. In that you will get this beautiful Dobe woven design. Okay, and here is the body area with the stripe work. So I'll just open the sari and show you the full view of the sari. Okay, just wait. So you can see here, this is the anchal area. Here you will get this beautiful design over here, and this is the sequence work. Okay, and you can see this we called murri. Okay, and here is the palla area, and look at the body area. It's so beautiful sari, and also this sari is very pocket friendly sari. Okay, these are come under 1,000 rupees and shipping extra. So if you want this sari, you can check our website for price and shipping details, and look at the close view of the sari. So this is the full view of the sari here, and this is the anchal area. In that you will get these beautiful woven doby design, and here the contrast, sorry, here's the plain blouse piece which is in red color, and here's the full view of the sari. So if you want this sari, please check out our website www.bhagalpuritextile.in, and there there's a search option. You just search 501. Okay, so you will get this sari, and from there you can order this sari. So this is the full view of the sari, and see, this is the first sari, and here the second sari which I'm gonna show you. So wait for the second one. So this is the second sari in soft silk, or you can see, you can say semi silk or semi tussar sari. And these are very budget friendly sari which comes under 1,000 rupees, and these are very high demanding sari also, we can say. And you can see the full design, and here's the blouse piece. This is the full body part area, and see, this sari has this plain blouse piece, and this is the body, sorry, anchal area. So just wait, I'm just opening the sari and show you the full view of the sari here. Okay, so just wait, I'm just showing the full view of the sari, and you can check our website also. In that, in there, you just search 502, so you will get this sari directly, and you can buy also from there. So just wait, I'm just opening and showing you this sari. So you can see here, this is the full view of the sari here, and these are very lightweight and comfort, and very pocket friendly also, you can say comfort sari. And you can see the sari, this is 100% woven sari. Okay, there is no embroidery and nothing. We just, this is 100% woven sari, and you can see the palla area. In here you will get these pattern of zari, we call patta zari, and there's a box. Okay, this is the full view of the sari here. See here, again, this is the full view, and this one is the anchal area, and here is the blouse piece. Okay, this is plain blouse piece because we just matching the, like, contrast blouse also, you can say. This is in dark color. To buy this sari, search code 502, you will find this sari. Okay, so this is for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please follow and subscribe our page. Thanks for watching, and also please share your friend, family, and your relative, so that he so that she can also get this beautiful sari here. Okay, so yeah, thank you, have a good day, bye bye, take care.